Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Techlife Smartband TLS B01, and on this video, we are going to have a demo again of its heart rate monitoring. And of course, we'll have a simultaneous monitoring of the Huawei Band 10. Let's see if they have the same or close results when it comes to the heart rate monitoring. So if you are interested to see the results, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have a demo of the heart rate monitoring of the Techlife Smartband. As you can see here, if you notice it, they have the same style when it comes to the watch face. So this one, it is a copycat of the Huawei Band 10 watch face. And that's not all. With the Huawei Band 10, it is a dynamic watch face. You can access the heart rate here directly on the icon here. It is a shortcut to the heart rate. With our Techlife Smartband, it's also the same. So it is a copycat of our watch face here. It is also dynamic. So we'll try the heart rate and see if we do have the same results when we have a simultaneous monitoring. So I will wear this one, and hopefully we do have a close results with the Huawei Band 10. The Huawei Band 10 heart rate monitoring is very good so far based on our experience. It is also, the result is close to other popular branded fitness tracker and smartwatches. So let's try. I will access the heart rate directly here. Same with this one. Again, this is the Techlife Smartband and this is the Huawei Band 10. We have 89 here. As you can see, the Huawei Band 10 provides faster results when it comes to the heart rate monitoring. Okay, as you can see here, they have the same results, or they almost have the close results when it comes to the heart rate. 86, 84. What do you think? Plus 2 or plus 3? So 85, let's see. It's now increasing. We have 1986. And it's almost the same now. 88 and 87. 86, 88. 87 and 91. 89. And the same results here. So you almost have the same results here. Both do have a very good sensor. I think the Techlife do have a good sensor here. It's just slow when it comes to providing the results, but I think the sensor here, the accuracy is not that far with our Huawei Band 10. Let's see if this one will change. It's just slow, but when it comes to the results here, it's almost the same with our Huawei Band 10. Let's adjust first the display here. Tap to awake, yes. Then sleep. Get 20 seconds. Screen on. Okay. Again, after this we'll have the blood oxygen. We have 86 and 88 as you can see here. 87, 91, and as you can see it is increasing here for the Huawei Band 10. 87, 88. Okay, I guess we do have the result is not that far with our Huawei Band 10. It's a bit close. Okay, so that is very good so far. So that's it for the demo of the heart rate monitoring of our Techlife Smartband. Okay, so far we do have a favorable results for the heart rate monitoring if you're going to compare it with our Huawei Band 10. So the result is very good so far. It's not that far when it comes to the results of the Huawei Band 10. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And if you find the video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.